Cook like a chef with Nutrichef's 11-piece cookware set. These high-quality pots and pans are classy and modern in style with its diamond design. The set comes with a 1.7-quart sauce pot, perfect for making homemade sauces, a 3.6-quart Dutch oven pot for all your favorite meals, a 2.1-quart cooking pot, and 2 frying pans that come in 11 and 8-inch sizes. Completed with a ladle, pasta fork, and spatula, as well as being induction compatible, you have everything you need to get started in the kitchen. Each pot or pan comes with a PTFE, PFOA, PFOS, lead-free, eco-friendly non-stick layers. Their silicone heat-resistant handles make for safe and ergonomically comfortable cooking. Each lid is made with tempered glass retaining heat for up to 500 degrees and feature vent holes. So whether you're preparing healthy meals for you and your family, or you're serving up something amazing for your guests on a special occasion, Nutrichef's got you covered with their 11-piece cookware set.